How to fix Instagram doesn't have access to photos. Well, to fix Instagram doesn't have access to photos, if you're using Android device, now I have an iOS, so I'll explain of Android first. First, on Android, you want to head into settings. Once you head into settings, head into apps, and under apps, you want to head into the Instagram option. Once under Instagram, you'll find the permission section there on an Android device. Tap on permissions and make sure that the gallery permission is given there and the photos permission is given there for full access or all photos. Now, if you are using an iOS device, what you can do is you can open up Instagram, and what you can do is you can proceed to add in the story. Now it'll ask you for camera permission, you can allow it, and if the permission for your picture is not given, it'll show to allow access. Tap on allow access and it shall prompt you to the settings where it will prompt you to allow the access for your app. So if you head into settings, if you head into apps on iOS as well, and head into Instagram here, and you'll be able to see photos option. Tap on it and you can allow the access from here, limited access or full access. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.